Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. This is the Pacific Ocean, and we got a great episode coming up. Today we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. The other night I made some barbecue chicken. See here. And for Appies with Chappy by the lake, I'm going to take the leftover barbecue chicken, put them in dumplings, and fry them up, and we're going to have barbecue chicken dumplings. So coming up, Appies with Chappy by the lake. Check it out.
Come on now, Mookie, ain't nothing but a hound dog. This is Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're gonna have appetizers and a cool, refreshing drink. Come on now, Mookie, don't be cruel. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. I just flew in and boy, my arms are tired. So today I got some fried chicken barbecue dumplings for my appetizer for Appies with Chappy by the lake. And I think for a drink, we're going to do a martini style drink. This is called a Coronation. I don't know, we have this program in Canada. It's wildly popular. It's called Coronation Street. Of course, I believe it's set in Manchester, England. I wonder, any of my friends from Britain or England, is it as popular there as it is in Canada? It's just crazy. Anybody out there like Rue's Kitchen, leave a comment if Coronation Street is popular at all in England. They have that depressing intro music. But I digress. I'm going to make a coronation to go with my barbecue chicken fried dumplings. Alright, so I have a martini shaker, a little bit of ice. Hey, all right. And it calls for 3 ounces of sherry. Oh, sherry, don't sing copywritten songs. All right, I'm just eyeballing it. That looks like 3 ounces to me. A ½ ounce of dry vermouth. And a dash of maraschino liqueur. This, of course, is a cherry liqueur. And a dash of bitters. I have some Angostura bitters. Oops. I just shot some Angostura bitters on my chicken dumplings. I wonder if that'll taste any good. All right, what are we doing? We're going to give it a shaky. All right. I got this has a strainer, and I got another strainer, so we're going to do a double strain today. No dirty dumping. And that, my friends, is a Coronation Martini to go with my barbecue chicken fried dumplings. And that concludes our episode today. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure to hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.